Welcome, everybody. Today there is a new app in Canva. It is called Soundraw. So, what you can do in Soundraw is create your own music that you can use within Canva. So, you can make your own, like, little background music, intro music, outro music. And so, let's explore a little bit with this. So, we're going to do a little samples. So, let's try pop. So, we're going to push this. And if you notice here, there's different little, I guess you call, levels. And what you can do is you can scroll through these and then you can start mixing them up. So if you want to start off intense, and then the next section is quiet, mid, and then when you play it, and if you don't want it, you can put it in the track. So you can keep mixing them up any way you want to. And what was I playing with earlier? That was kind of fun. So I think it was this one, and then I was going to go a little intense, and then I would go back quiet, and then I would go kind of. I was going back and forth, and you can just scroll through to the complete song and kind of mix these all up so you get the way you like it and the way you want to use it. And then when you're done, push use, and you have to connect to your Soundraw, which I am not signed into, and create an account. And then you can actually use the music that you just created within Canva. So I hope that gives you a little bit of a taste of what the new thing is. I just want to stop by and say, hey, there's a new feature for y'all to play with. I hope you enjoy it and make some beautiful music. See you next time. Love you guys. Bye.